So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a Redbubble product that got me multiple sales from one customer. And on top of that, a member from the Facebook group also managed to get multiple sales from this same one product. And I'm going to be revealing that product in this video, as well as how I managed to get to a point where I was getting these kinds of sales. So most importantly, you guys can follow along and do this too. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. Now, if you're someone that's looking to make some extra cash online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. However, if you're someone that's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I have a paid print-on-demand course that's linked just below that with information that will pretty much fast-track you to print-on-demand success. Now, because today is such a good day, it's my daughter's birthday, I'm not going to make you guys wait to find out what this product is. I'll tell you right now. The product is greetings cards. It's quite fitting, but trust me, greetings cards are a game changer. Now you know of the product that we'll be talking about in this video. I'm going to be covering how you can choose or find a niche that will work with greetings cards. I'll also talk about what to do when it comes to actually checking the results and the competition in different niches on greetings cards, alongside things such as the correct dimensions to use when you're making greetings cards, the correct margins you should be using in regards of your pricing for the greetings cards, and tags. Now with greetings cards, not a lot of people pay them that much attention when it comes to Redbubble, which is something I noticed not long into getting into Redbubble and something that I took advantage of and actually did really well with, and I'm still doing really well with. When it comes to finding niches, you want to stick mainly to things such as birthdays, Christmas cards, or holiday cards, things of that nature, as throughout all these different holidays and events, people will be looking online for customized greetings cards to do with trends or whatever things they're interested in, which you can actually take advantage of. Now, like I said, with a niche, you want to be finding a niche that you can link to a holiday. For example, with everything that's going on in the world right now, you could create a card that says 21st birthday, the one where I stayed at home. That links to the current world events that are going on at the moment, and it's something people might actually be interested in. So if you can find a way to link a holiday to things that are going on now and put them all into a greetings card, you could end up getting to a point where you have people buying multiple greetings cards, like I showed you at the start of the video. The next thing is results. So you want to be making sure that there isn't a crazy amount of results and competition in whatever niche you want to go in. With greetings cards, I usually say aim for anything that has less than 1,000 results, as that increases your chances of getting a sale faster. The competition also isn't as strong with greetings cards, mainly because most people don't actually use the correct dimension, which I will go on to talk about, but you want to be making sure that you're checking the results so there isn't a lot of people there. And I'll also show you a keyword that I actually used in one of my titles for my greetings card that sold well. So keep watching to find out what that simple keyword was. And jumping straight into the dimensions, when it comes to greetings cards, the dimensions that I recommend you guys use are 5,000 by 7,100. I've actually made a full dedicated video on this and why it's important, and that will be linked down in the description. But just to show you a quick example as to why that is important, on the screen now you should be able to see a greeting card that's using the correct dimensions and a greetings card that's not using the correct dimensions. And as you can see there, the difference is one is not fully scaled, so there's white edges which makes the card not look as nice, whereas with the other greetings card, the picture is full blown, it looks like a nice card, and it doesn't have any white outlines around it, which is what you don't want at the end of the day. Now, as for the margins, you want to be making sure that you're setting your margins between 80 to 120%. As with greetings card, it's actually good to have them at a price that's a little bit high, as people feel that they're paying for a premium quality product in comparison to having low margins on it. Personally, I set it around 100% margin. As you can see with the screenshot that I showed you at the start of the video, the sale that I got on my 8 greetings card was at 100% margin. So if you want to use the same, try it, and I'm pretty sure if you stay consistent, keep working hard with the greetings card, you see similar success. Now, the final thing you want to pay attention to when it comes to having any sort of success with greetings cards is actually using good tags good keywords. Now myself, when I created my greetings card, it was linked within the birthday niche, and I also linked it along a trend that was currently trending at the time, and that helped me to get some initial sales. If you're looking to see what kind of keywords work well in titles when it comes to greetings cards, I'll quickly show you on the screen a powerful keyword that I used in my greetings card titles, and it was a simple one, just birthday or birthday card. And I mainly used this because this was something I felt would potentially boost my product, boost my listing, and it did, using a similar method that you guys can try too. And 3 quick tips you need to bear in mind when actually looking for ideas or trying to optimize your greetings card. The first is to simply check in shops. Whenever you're out and about, check in shops to see what kind of birthday cards they're selling, what kind of designs they have more of or less of, to see which ones are getting bought, which will pretty much kind of give you an idea of which designs people are liking more of. It might sound a bit weird, but this is something I've done myself, and it's gave me some great ideas. You also want to be creating scalable designs, preferably in the birthday niche, mainly because you can just change an age and create a lot of designs. So it could be happy first birthday all the way up to a happy 100th birthday. So you want to think of scalable birthday niche designs, as that will make life easier for you. And the third tip, if you really want to kill it in the greetings cards niche, you want to create cartoon based designs. If you can't do it yourself, you can go over on Fiverr and find people that will create you cartoon based designs related to trends, which you can then just pop on your greetings cards. And this does really well on Redbubble. So if that's something you're interested in trying, definitely check out the Fiverr link that's down in the description, and there'll be some examples there of people that create cartoon designs if that's something you feel you would be interested in. And if I were to just jump on Redbubble right now and go on the greetings card section, you see there's quite a lot of different greetings cards, quite a lot of different styles. But if you can find your own specific niche to focus in, whether it's under the birthday holiday or whether it's something to do with Christmas, which is coming up at the time of actually recording this video, if you take the time to do a little bit of research into the greetings cards and to actually set them on your front images, on your designs that have the dimensions that I explained before, 5,000 by 7,100, you never know, you could end up like me, getting multiple sales, or even some of the people from the Facebook group that started to get multiple sales just from using simple greetings card. That's it for today's video anyways. Once again, if you got any value from this video, a like rating would be very much appreciated. For anyone that made it to this point of the video, it's my daughter's birthday, so if you can just comment down in the comment section, happy first birthday, that would be very much appreciated. I'll respond to every single comment that I see. If you want to see what she looks like, I'll also have a video link down in the description where I talk a little bit more about my story, where she actually has a little cameo at the start of the video. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.